the given, so we're going to have a 4.12 inches to the power of 4. And to solve for largest allowable form, we have a formula of T, which is J times T equal over C. So we're going to plug in the given, so we're going to have a result of 12.63 cubic inches. And T is equal to J times T equal over C2. So we're going to plug in the given. So we're going to have a result of 19.21 cubic inches. So for theta, we have a 0.375 degrees, and converted it to rad, we're going to have a 6.545 times 10 to the power of 3 radians. So for theta, we have a TL over JG. So plug in the given. So we're going to have a 18.86 inches. And so for angle of rotation of NA, we have a formula of theta A is equal to theta AB is equal to theta AB plus theta CB, which is equal to T1 over L1 J1 times G1, which equals to T is equals to L1 over J1 over G1. So we're going to plug in the given value, and we're going to have 0.019 radians converted to degrees. We're going to have 1.098 degrees. So for problem 3.41, we have a given of TAB is equal to 1.26 inches, which results in 12,000 pound inches, and we have a TEF is equal to 6 over 4.5 times 1,200, which is equal to 1,600 pound inches. And our length is equal to 12 inches. And our C is equal to 1/2 times B. So we're going to plug in. So it's equal to 7 over 16 inches. And our G is equal to 11.2 times 10 to the power of 6 beside. And our J is equal to pi over 2 times C4, which is equal to pi over 2 times 7.16 to the power of 4, which results to 57.55 times 10 to the power of -3 inches to the power of 4. So we have a formula of theta E over F, which equals to T times L over JG. So we're going to plug in the given. So we're going to have 29.789 times 10 to the power of -3 rad. And our theta B is equal to RE over RB times theta E. So we're going to plug in the given. So we have a 39.718 times 10 to the power of -3 rad. And our theta AB is equal to PL over JG. Same, we're going to plug in the given. We're going to have 36.065 times 10 to the power of -3 rads. And so for theta A, we have a formula of theta B plus theta AB, which results to 65.7